I love that, and that's exactly what I did for sublimation. So for reference, I picked up the Epson Eco Tank 2850. And when people talk about converting a printer into a sublimation printer, I was super overwhelmed, which is why I didn't do it for years, and it was so easy. It's not even converting. You literally just put the ink in, okay? So I'm gonna show you. This is my regular printer that I would do. I got pretty much the exact same thing. The store didn't have the cheaper one in stock, so I paid like $400 Canadian for this. But if they had the $200 one in stock, I would have got it. Okay, so I picked up this one, and of course it's just a regular printer, right? So this is the ink that it comes with, the Epson one, which actually I can use for this one, so it's awesome. So instead of pouring these that came with the printer into the little printer tank thingy, I bought sublimation ink off of Amazon. This one is the Hippo brand. I think it was like $35 Canadian. I'm gonna show you. Obviously I already did it, but all you do, literally, this is it. Pop it open, pop this open, and these are where the little ink cartridge is. I'll zoom in and show you. Okay, so I just showed you how to open that up. You lift it up, and then you take the ink, take off the lid, put it on, just like a regular printer. It's gonna fill up, and that's it. It's now converted to sublimation printer. You're telling me all those years I was intimidated to convert a printer when all I had to do was put ink in it? The same process I would have done anyways if I bought this printer for regular printing, but because I added this decal on, by the way, but because I put in sublimation ink instead of the regular ink, the exact same thing. I mean, it literally looks the same, except it says sublimation on it. Years, I didn't know this. So don't be intimidated and overwhelmed. It literally took me 5 minutes. And I've already tested it out. It works amazing. So definitely save your money. Totally, you can get a sublimation printer, but if you want to be on a budget like me, save your money and do it this way. Follow for more sublimation and Cricut tips.